All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, every technician needs to be able to do brakes, and that requires a scan tool. Prevalent as this is, I just did a video talking about shops that aren't equipped to do brakes. My viewers are better educated, better equipped than that, but I always try to show budget options as best I can, and I always preach efficiency. And efficiency comes from sometimes having your own tool to do the job. Now, you're a beginning technician and you're trying to knock out that brake job. The diag guy's got the shop scan tool. He doesn't own his own, so you have to wait for it to do a brake job. That sucks. Now, a young technician that's struggling to afford tool payments as it is, running out and buying a $4,000 scan tool is really not a good option. So I got a much better option when it comes to doing basic work. And that's the Kingbolen S800. Now this is a affordable little handheld, doesn't do a bunch of stuff, but one of the things it does do is retract electronic brake calipers. Built on an Android platform with launch software. It's touchscreen with Gorilla Glass, so it's shop tough and it's really affordable. So the individual technician no longer has to wait for the shop tool just to do brakes. Now it'll do other resets, throttle body, oil resets, a lot of the stuff those junior technicians are going to be doing. And this is a really good option. It's quick, it's fast, it's easy. You know, if your shop requires pre-scan, post-scan, it can do that. It can email the reports. It doesn't have bidirectional controls for, you know, sensors and stuff like that. So this is not a diagnostic powerhouse. You can't actuate solenoids, etc. You can relearn throttle bodies after cleaning them. But the big one is you can do brakes and it's affordable. That's one of the biggest things that is keeping a lot of young technicians from being efficient, is having a simple tool that allows them to do their basic job. And this is a good option. There's other options out there, of course, but I want to try to show as many of these options as I can, because this is where a lot of the market is. You know, not everybody in the business is doing complex, you know, scope diagnostics. A lot of them are just doing the basics, and this is what you need for that. Now, you can start a diagnostic with this. Obviously, once you need to go to bidirectional controls, you need to step up to getting the shop scanner. It graphs data so you can watch PIDs, graphed. Launch graphing is actually really good. It's not as good as Snap-on, but it's definitely better than some. You can do the rest of your job day to day with this tool. Brake resets, doing, you know, oil change resets, all that kind of stuff with an affordable tool. So I think this is a really good deal. Now, of course, I will have a link to this tool along with a discount code, help you out even more on the tool. This is a good tool for those junior technicians that just need to increase their efficiency. The thing about it is the more efficient you get, the faster you move up the hill. So having an affordable tool that can help you advance is a good thing. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.